What's up guys, today I just fancy showing you my car for people who don't believe me. This isn't my new car, this is the car what I'm using at the moment. But yeah, and I'm going to show you, I've just spray painted my bike for some reason, I do not have a clue. But let's go look. It's not the best car in the world, like, but first things first, I need my sig sparking up. So I'll give you a hint. Come on. Smoking's a bad on it, a bit, so don't do it. Right, I'll show you my car. It's not special, but I've just got new tyres put on it. Like I say, it's been a very boring day today, so I just thought, fuck it. I'll tell you something. Car wash has done a good job. Right, I'll show you. What's this shit? Best thing I like about this car is these bits. Fucking love them. But for some reason, like when I made my video when I was at work, my phone just switched off. I was about to say comment and all of a sudden it just went beep 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 beep. So that was fucked. But yeah, nice weather. Fucking very nice weather. I'm doing a Xbox video today if you want to join. But yeah, that's my car. Ain't the best car, but it's our big red. Big red. That's what I called it. So I don't know what this video is about today. I just thought it'd be funny. But my mum's gonna kill me. I've just bought a new bike. I think it was about 3 or 4 days ago. It cost me a lot of money actually, but Dick and me thought it was funny to spray paint it black, so I'll show you that as well if I can actually get in my gate. Oh, so my gate's locked. One sec. Nan! I'll show you what off in it. Let's do some main trick shit. I'm having a smoke, so I'm shutting it door. That's my nan. But yeah, I made a right tits up of it. I don't know why I spray painted it, but what's really most annoying, if any of you've watched Simpsons, you'll know what this t-shirt is. Duff. But I've got fucking spray paint all over it. Look at that. Mum's gonna fucking kill me. And I've got a dog. Smell, George. We'll let him out. Come on, Georgie. George, cease. So yeah, it's a very short video. I just wanted to upload you on my car, and I'll show you my new car next week. I don't know what I'm getting yet, but I really want a 240, but it's really hard to find them, so I'm still going to keep looking. I'll do a video later. We'll have a look on eBay and shit. But yeah, I'm remodernising our back garden. See, work just follows me home. But yeah, it's good. So for all you who wants to come on Xbox with me later, I'm going to be broadcasting on, is it Twitch? Twitch. So yeah, just type in my gamer tag, ZK Shadow, I'll put it in the description. And whoever wants to join my party, send me an invite or send me a message saying, can I join? And I'll invite you all. So yeah. And we'll do, well, I've just bought Black Ops and all that because I've been selling my Xbox games so I could get that bike, but I fucked it. So yeah, I do stupid stuff. My first ever scooter's rotting away. Well, JD Bug, guys. When it first came out, one of the best scooters you could get. But yeah, I might get another scooter and do some more videos at skate park. So I might be in at skate park in 4 years, but we'll try it. So yeah, for all you who wants to come on to Xbox with me, ZK Shadow, I'll put it in the description down below. And if you're wanting to join a game, or any games in particular, just say, can we play so and so, like GTA 5, Forza Horizon 3, Black Ops, Call of Duty, Infinite Warfare, Modern Warfare, anything, just text me and we'll get to it. So message me, I'll invite you, we'll go on Xbox, I'll be broadcasting for all you who wants to watch me, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.